Today we are presenting our project that is titled Automatic RFID based attendance system that processes and reduces human errors. Components. This is the Arduino Nano board that is the main microcontroller of this project. RFID. RFID is the radio frequency identification module that comprised of two things: RFID reader and RFID tags. These are two types of tags present. LCD display that displays the name of the user and exit entry status. The RFID reads the UID given to every user, and the RFID tag contains the UID given to every user. Green LED indicates the successful entry or exit, and the red LED indicates an unsuccessful entry or exit. The buzzer provides audio alert for situations like entry or no entry. Let's see the working principles. When the user brings any RFID tag towards the RFID reader, the RFID reads the UID, and then the RFID sends it to the Arduino Nano board. Arduino Nano board transmits the UID through serial communication towards the computer. A Python program running behind the computer checks if the UID is authorized or not authorized. If the ID is authorized, the green LED will glow like this if it's authorized, and buzzer will sound, and LCD will display the name and exit or entry status. If the ID is not authorized, LCD will show unauthorized and no entry, and red LED will glow with different sound of the buzzer. The data that this project contains, like the date, time and name of the user, is stored in an Excel file.
Advantages of these projects are save times and reduce manual efforts, eliminate proxy attendance and human errors, provide security by allowing only authorized persons, data is stored digitally and can be easily accessed, low cost and easy to implement. Application in which our project can be used, such as school and colleges for student attendance, offices for employment attendance, industry area for staff entry and exit, secure room and restricted access zones, events and seminar. Problem statements: manual attendance waste times, data is not stored digitally, chances of proxy, chances of fake attendance, and difficult to maintain records. Solution for these problems by using our project are use of RFID card for each student and scan card to mark your attendance. Data is stored automatically, faster, secure and accurate. If our project is selected, we can add things such as face recognition integration using AI, cloud storage, SMS notification to parents, and let's see how it's work.
When we bring the authorized RFID card towards the RFID reader, the LCD will display the user's name like this. This is, let's assign it to the principal sir. The RFID will show principal sir and entry, and then we again and it exit. Then we use another RFID tag like this. It shows teacher. It's a random teacher. It's entry and it's exit now. If we choose another RFID tag like this, it will show user's name that is assigned Mahesh sir, and it's entry or exit like this. And if we use an unauthorized card, it will show unauthorized and no entry, and like this the red LED will glow with a different sound of buzzer. Let's see this project's data storage in Google Sheet. Let's see the Google Sheet. This file stores the data that is given by the Arduino Nano board to the computer. We can see today's entry and exits like this. We can see principal sir, entry and exit. The date and time is stored in the sheet like this. Like this, Mahesh sir, the date is 5, the month is 2nd, and the year is 2026, and date is 9:36 and 56 seconds, and it shows entry or exit status like this: entry and exit. Please review our project if you have liked it. Thank you.